Hey and welcome to Alpha 1 this Monday morning. I'm now going to trade with Alpha Master. It's a free binary option robot that do not use martingale. You can use this robot also, just download with the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also included in the link is a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit, but you need to deposit more than $100. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also, make sure you check out the link you find below the video. It's for my WhatsApp group. There I give Forex signals and binary option signals. I have given signals today, and I give once a day from Monday to Friday, so check it out. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it. I needed to take a break after the first trade where we made basically a zero trade. That is very rare, but we did manage to make that. And the second trade we won. Let me remove this robot so you see. So you can see there now we made a profit of $215. Super happy with that. You can download this robot also. Just push this robot thing you see up here now. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.